Yeah, and so at first I'm like, oh, she just did this for clout or what?
Can you hear that?
No,
Hold on. No, nothing.
no, what's
Oh man,
happening?
I'm sorry. The EP passed out, and I could hear her snore.
No.
She's been so tired lately.
Oh,
It's
poor
just,
EP.
yeah, poor EP. But like, I just
Poor
hear
EP.
everybody like,
Don't make fun of her.
I'm not making fun. This is just me giving you guys a play-by-play of what's happening in my house right now. Okay. All right. Anyway. Anyway, go on.
EP, you might have sleep apnea if that's how you sound like.
Well, she's probably just nursing more blood leeches, so it's fine.
Anyways,
What is happening? As always, we like to make a special request of our listeners. Wherever you are, if you're in a crowd, if you're in your car, just out loud say or yell, listen to a conversation with Judy and Ryan. If you're at work, don't do that. We don't want you to get fired. So, full staff email, subject line, listen to a conversation with Judy and Ryan, and then in the body of it, type F. If you know, you know. Judy has no
Type
idea.
F.
This is great for me. I'm not even gonna tell anyone. I can't wait. I'm gonna get
So
so
it's like
many
type
texts.
F.
Yeah, type F in the body. If you know, you know. I'm gonna get a text from my mom next week. She'll be like, "Why would I type F?" And be like, "I'm not telling you, old lady." Ha ha ha.